Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see how teacher can log in into his G Suite account. For that, when we open Google page, we check any default account is there. So first you sign out from that. And now we are going to log in into our G Suite account. For that, when we press sign in, here we are going to use another account. Any default account is there, so delete it first. And here we are going to write the user ID given by regional office. So for that I am taking one example. Here if we take Indu TGT and her user ID I am going to use. I copied it and I paste it here. Once I paste it, I press button next and we can see enter your password. Default password we are going to enter for first time. We can see one more page where clearly we can see CAPTCHA. So we type the CAPTCHA also. And after writing password and CAPTCHA, we press button next. And here they mentioned create a new strong password that you don't use for other websites. So here we are going to use new password. So now we changed our password. So we are going to sign in again. When we press the button sign in, now you people can observe G Suite of Indu. If you observe here, Google account Indu TGT. So we sign in into Indu TGT Google Suite account. Now here comes how to create classrooms. So for that, when we observe here these 9 dots, when we press it and when we scroll it down, here we can see one symbol classroom. When we press the button classroom, the symbol, we should observe TGT Indu and the same user ID what we used. Once we press the button continue, we can see one page like this. And here if you observe the symbol plus, I press the button plus and we are going to create class. If you observe here, we are going to create class. I press the button create class and class name required. So we are going to create one class 9 and section A and subject science and room. For example, if a teacher is taking 4 different classes like 9th A, 9th B, 10th A, 10th B, so for his convenient or her convenient, he can give different numbers to the classes. So here for 9th A I am giving default 1 and I am going to create class. So once I press the button, here if you observe 9th A 9th A class code is generated as well as the class is created. Now, how do we join the children in this? For that, when we press, if you observe here, stream, classwork, people. When we press this people, yeah, teacher, Indu, TGT, and here if you observe students and one plus symbol is there. When we press this symbol, here two things are there, invite link as well as type a name or email. If you observe, there are two ways to invite students. You type here email ID of children. Once you type the email ID, here the button invite highlights. When we press the button invite, the invite will go to that particular student. So one by one we should do this. Instead of that, one easy method, you copy this link. From here, when we press this copy link, and the link will be copied, and this link, that particular 9th A class WhatsApp group, when we send it to them, the child will log in. When he join into the class, by using this link, when the student join into the class, the total classroom creation will be completed. I hope you understood. So, thank you.